Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by enabling RCS Chat features on your phone. This gives you typing indicators, read receipts, and higher quality media. Once done, sign in or confirm your phone number and messages so the network can register you. Make sure to update carrier settings and the Messages app to avoid compatibility issues. Why this matters: registration links your identity to RCS servers, so messages route correctly and features work reliably. Don't skip verification. It's the step that turns SMS into modern chat. You now compose messages differently. Pick an RCS-enabled contact so advanced features apply. Tap Attach to send high-quality photos or videos. Once sent, the recipient gets richer media than SMS. While typing, watch for indicators that show when they reply. This keeps the conversation smooth. Make sure to manage group chat settings. Rename groups, add or remove people, and set message delivery preferences. Understanding these controls helps you use RCS as a full chat platform rather than a basic text service. You finish by adjusting advanced settings and preparing troubleshooting steps. First, enable fallback to SMS so messages send when RCS drops. This prevents delivery gaps. If features stop working, clear the messages cache and re-register your phone number. This often fixes registration errors. Once done, test with another confirmed RCS user to isolate carrier issues. If problems persist, contact your carrier. This approach ensures you know how to restore full RCS functionality and why each step resolves common failures.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.